What do all these people have in common? They live in a home that has incorporated universal design features. Universal design is an approach to design that works to ensure products and buildings can be used by virtually everyone, regardless of their ability. Learn how you can make your home more accessible for yourself and your loved ones by contacting Fairfax County's Universal Design Ombudsman at 703-324-1555, TTY 711. You can also visit us at fairfaxcounty.gov/universal design or stop by our office at the Department of Public Works and Environmental Services, 12055 Government Center Parkway, Suite 224.